Hello everyone. For a new mother, burping her baby is the toughest work in the world. Yes or no? Yes, na? So today I will show you the easiest way of burping a baby. Okay, the easiest way. So at first you have to take a soft cloth in your back, in your shoulder, because sometime if the baby has eaten so much food, uh, while burping it releases the food, so we have to take a cloth. Okay, so I have taken a cloth and also taken the baby. At first we have to press slightly in her back. Okay, slightly, just like this. Okay, then we have to make our palm tight and we have to press it slightly. Okay, slightly. Okay, take your baby in your shoulder. Make sure that your baby's nose gets the air properly. Okay, my baby is 7 months old. He can rotate his head, but a newborn can never rotate his head. So make sure that the head portion does not stuck with your shoulder. Okay, the nose can get the air. Make sure it's okay. Then with your palm just tap in the, it is the spinal cord, just tap between the joints of the hand. These are the joints of the hand. With your palm in the middle of the spinal cord, just tap. Okay, like this, with some pressure. Just tap, just tap. Keep patience. Sometimes it takes 2 minutes to burp a baby. Sometimes it can take 10 minutes. So it takes 2 to 10 minutes for a baby to burp. Okay, have patience and just press, just tap. Your baby will definitely burp. Okay, you have to burp your baby after every meal. May the meal is water, may the meal is solid, may the meal is your breast milk. You know that you have to burp after every meal. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a happy motherhood. Enjoy your motherhood.